From a very young age, I got interested in plants. My dad was a botanist, so he wrote a lot about plants and worked in a botanical garden. And as a kid, I would look at plants and see them as like mini universes, and there's so much we don't know about plants. About a year ago, I began exploring these concepts of levitating plants. And what's so cool about magnetism is a force that we can't see, but we can feel. We're levitating the plant from the ground in midair and rotating so that it gets sunlight from all different directions. The idea of a plant not needing soil to grow really fascinates me, and that's when I got interested in air plants. Air plants are plants that grow from the air. They don't require any soil. They literally take particles from the air and get nutrients from them. I wanted to create an experience for people in their homes where they can enjoy plants, but in a new way. Houseplants don't always have to be the same. And what happens if I levitate this plant in the air? Will it grow differently? Will it grow more? Who knows? Maybe we're going to discover a new way of growing plants.
Hi, are you an expert in killing plants? I know I used to be. And it was because I didn't have the time or the skills to keep them alive. I wanted to solve this problem, so I teamed up with Johannes and Mario. Together, we created Botanium. It is an automatic and self-watering planter that lets you grow effortlessly, so you can have fresh herbs without giving up your life. In Botanium, you can grow herbs like basil, thymes, or mint. You can also grow vegetables like tomatoes or chili. Botanium is a complete kit for growing your own plants from seeds. This is how to not kill a plant. Pour water into the tank. Add some nutrients. Fill up with the included growing medium. Plant a seed, connect it to an outlet, and let Botanium take care of the plant for you. The roots really thrive in Botanium, which makes the plants grow larger and faster than in common soil. If you fill it up, it can last up to a month, so you don't need to worry if you go away.
We're a group of entrepreneurs, engineers and designers. We know what it takes to make a product. We have done it before.
We have made many prototypes and are now ready for mass production. To do that, we have a big startup cost and need your help to back this project.
So what's the plan for today?
You know, the guys are coming over too for the game.
Oh, but remember, you promised me you would clean up those weeds in the driveway.
I got plenty of time for that. I got this. No worries.
Hey, honey.
45 still going out at the 50.
Oh man, we are killing it. This game, we've got this game in the bag. What's up, babe?
First our anniversary, now the weeds. Great.
More football after these words from our sponsor.
Give me a sec, guys. I'll be right back.
They need to score on this drive.
Alrighty, I'm back. First down.
Wow, that was quick.
Weed Snatcher, man. Touchdown. Boom.
This is the Weed Snatcher, the amazing new tool that quickly and easily removes weeds from cracks and crevices. Get rid of those unsightly weeds from sidewalks, driveways, patios, and wood decking in minutes, without using toxic chemicals that are harmful to the environment. You'll spend much less time doing yard work and more time relaxing. At the push of a button, the adjustable handle extends in length from 3 feet to 6 feet, making it easy and comfortable for both adults and children, with no bending over. The Weed Snatcher also comes with interchangeable heads. Change from the larger tip for sidewalks and driveways to the smaller tip for patios and decks. And it's so easy to use. A quick pass with the Weed Snatcher, followed by another with a broom, and you're done. You simply have to try it to believe it. Reserve your Weed Snatcher today.
Hello Kickstarter, this is John Rupert. I'm the inventor of the Weed Snatcher. And we have our prototypes done and we're ready to start production, and I need your help getting there. Thanks for your support.
The iMow robotic mower from Stihl mows your lawn automatically, so you don't have to, leaving you with a beautiful green lawn without having to lift a finger. iMow is installed by laying or burying a thin wire around the edges of your garden, and around any obstacles like shrubs, trees, flower beds or water features. If it comes across any other objects in the mowing area, the iMow sensors simply kick in and take it off in another direction. iMow is a mulching mower, which means it cuts small clippings of grass and drops it back into the lawn, acting as a natural and nutrient-rich fertiliser, with the added bonus of never having to empty your grass box again. It cuts the grass little and often, so that the small clippings decompose quickly and easily, leaving no trace apart from a well-nourished, lush, green lawn. iMow has a dynamic mowing plan that can be easily tailored to your needs, so it can be programmed to mow when you're not using your garden at a time that suits you. It's quiet too, so it can even mow at night. A key advantage of a Stihl iMow is its quick mowing times, so you can spend more time enjoying that freshly cut look in your garden. You don't have to worry about charging the iMow's lithium-ion battery either. It simply finds its way back to the weatherproof docking station and charges efficiently, ready for the next cut. There are a number of different models available, catering for small gardens to larger gardens, up to 5,000 square metres in size. It doesn't matter if your garden isn't perfectly flat either. iMow's gradient sensors help it manage its speeds so it can handle slopes with ease. There are also versions that connect to the Stihl iMow app via a smart device or tablet, so you can send iMow out to mow, return it to the docking station, or change future mowing plans, plus much more via a free app. The app-connected versions even look at future weather forecasts and adjust the mowing plan if it's likely to rain. As with all power tools, read the owner's manual before use. We recommend children, animals and any smaller objects are not present while iMow is mowing. iMow is the effortless way to achieve a lush green lawn. For more information and to find your nearest iMow dealer, visit imow.co.uk.